to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So if you want to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Google Chrome browser. You need to go with search and search for Adobe Premiere Pro, or you can also just simply search for Adobe, which will take you to this kind of interface. You can go with www.adobe.com, click on that, which will take you to the official website. Once you're on your website, you need to go and log into your account. You can go and continue with your Google account that you've used. Once you're on your Adobe, now you need to scroll down and you will find the Premiere Pro section. You will have apps right here on the left side. Go with apps and you will find the Premiere Pro. Just simply go and search for it. If you don't find it right here, you can also go with search, which is on the top right, and search for Premiere Pro. Once you find now here, you will have free trial option. You need to click on the free trial and it will take you to this kind of interface. You will have Adobe Premiere Pro, individual, business, or students and teachers option. So you will have 14 days free trial on Adobe Premiere Pro. You just need to simply go with continue, which is on the bottom right, and make sure that you've selected this option. Add a 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock and get up to 10 standard assets and go with continue. After continuing, you will have a free period of 7 days or 14 days. So within that trial period, you won't need to pay anything because it's for free. And in this way, you'll be able to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.